We're here with Robby Ohmes, analyst at Bank of America and a participant in our recent Supermarket News Analysts Roundtable. Robby, I'd like to follow up on some of the points that came up during our analyst meeting and look a little forward into 2021. Looking ahead and based on what we've seen in 2020, can you tell us some of the companies or industry segments that you think are well positioned for strength going forward?
Sure. We've been highlighting Walmart and also Target. We think the discounters are big beneficiaries of the development they've done on the omnichannel side of the business and during COVID-19. And we think that's going to carry over well for them into next year. One of the benefits that we think Walmart and Target have relative to the food retailers is that they sell general merchandise. And we're seeing the momentum in general merchandise improve. That coincides with the big uptake on their omnichannel initiatives, particularly pickup, but also delivery. And again, they are able to not just deliver groceries, but also the full assortment of general merchandise. And the numbers speak really strongly about the momentum. And we think that's going to continue next year, even if hopefully the virus goes away.
Right. Conversely, do you see any companies or segments that might be especially challenged in 2021?
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, we did downgrade Kroger to neutral back in September. And I think the concerns were that, the expectations have risen for some of the really great grocers like a Kroger that's obviously done very well and executed great in this environment. But they're going to be up against very challenging comparisons, especially in the first half of next year. And the restaurant data continues to come back stronger than I think many were expecting. And so we see risk that you see a slowdown and, probably negative same-store sales for a big grocery retailer like Kroger. And they don't have the same ability to translate into improved general merchandise market share gains the way we believe Walmart and also Target are.
Right. Last question. What do you think would be the biggest long-lasting change in retail that comes out of this whole pandemic?
Well, it'll probably be a lot of long-lasting changes, but I think from the company standpoint, when you listen to a Walmart or a Target, this has really pushed forward initiatives that both those companies already had in place with omnichannel. And I think the knowledge and acceptance of omnichannel at the large discounters, Walmart and Target in particular, I think that's going to stick around, and I think they're going to do a great job keeping those customers. I also think the membership clubs, Costco and BJ's, are probably going to retain some new members that they gained through COVID-19 that they maybe otherwise weren't going to get.
Okay. Good insights. Any other thoughts before we go?
No, I think just, the only other thing that we would highlight is just we think the market is moving towards a focus on the general merchandise momentum that has been accelerating as we've moved past the sort of stock up period with the grocers. And so that is something we're focused on, as we head into next year.
Great. Thanks for joining us today, Rob.